Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here in a new little setup. How do you guys feel about this background? I feel very official here at my table, but you know what? It's appropriate because we're getting down to business today. I have been compiling a list for months and months of my favorite products sold on Amazon that are under $10. Yes, guys, you heard it right. $10 or less. I purchased all of these for under $10. However, prices do fluctuate slightly on Amazon, usually not more than a few dollars. And if you are new here, make sure to please subscribe before you go. I know about 65% of you who watch my videos aren't subscribed. It's free. You just get notified every time I post a new video. And I do share a lot of my favorite Amazon finds here. So with all of that said, let's just go ahead and get started. I have like almost 20 things to share. We're gonna go through these pretty quickly. So I'm just gonna start with my two favorite kitchen gadgets that are under $10. First is this guy. He's nice and bright and fun, but what is it? What is it? So this is a clip-on pot strainer. So it clips onto the lid of your pot and then you can strain out whatever's inside. So for me, I like to make pasta, so it will strain it out without having to deal with a colander. You can throw all your colanders away. We don't need them anymore. I cannot tell you how convenient this is. It is so easy to clean. It takes up very minimal space. It works extremely well. And I use this just about every day because lately I have been making my favorite pasta. This is like chickpea pasta that's higher in protein. Next kitchen gadget that I'm just unnecessarily passionate about is this. This is my garlic mincer. I strongly believe, this actually isn't an opinion, this is a fact. Everything is better with garlic. Name one thing that's not better with garlic. Are you trying to name something? Because it's just not possible. I am like the biggest garlic freak. I'm sorry to Ryan. I'm sorry to anybody in my life that I talk to on a regular basis. So with this, you just pop your little garlic cloves in here, close the lid, go like this. It's very fun, I have to say. You get a little arm workout in there and your garlic is perfectly minced. Nobody has time to sit there and do like a little surgery operation on your garlic to get it minced nice and small. I prefer this over a garlic press. It's easy to clean. You just open it up, rinse it out. Love this. I use this almost every day. Up next are these silicone cupcake liners. And you know what? I haven't baked a cupcake in like 10 years. So why do I love these so much, you ask? Well, let me tell you. These can be used in so many different ways. I personally like to use them for sauces and condiments. I make chicken and I like to dip it in like barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce. You can get the larger size version of these and it is perfect for snacks. So for Carter's snacks, for my own snacks, the larger size one fits perfectly in the cup holder of your car. So it will prevent spills from drinks going into the cup holder of your car. Those are very difficult to clean. And actually right now, as I'm recording this, Carter is using these with his washable paint and I can wash them, reuse them. As you can see, I can go on and on about these, but this is just one of those under $10 items. I think they're like $7 for a whole pack and I use them everywhere for everything. Like you can even wear this as a hat. Up next are my little True Lemon lemonade pouches. They make these in so many different flavors and every single flavor is good, which is crazy to me. These are made with crystallized lemon, so it's a naturally flavored lemonade. It doesn't have that like synthetic, overly sweet taste. It is sweetened with stevia, but only has 1 gram of sugar, and I just love them. It helps me drink more water. Otherwise, I don't like water. I know that sounds weird. Who doesn't like water? Me. So yes, if you struggle with drinking enough water, try these out and it will just take it to the next level. Okay, so a little fun fact about me. One of my favorite things in the entire world is a good foot massage. Like, it just is heaven to me. And I found this little guy on Amazon. It's $6.95 and possibly the best $6.95 I have ever spent. I keep this under my desk. As I'm working, I roll my foot just back and forth. I switch feet and it is just so freaking good. Most of the morning, I'm on my feet chasing around after Carter, so when I'm sitting there just working away, giving myself a foot massage, and it's just one of those little pleasures in life. Let's just do it right now. I'm just gonna continue doing this as I'm filming. Next is this cute little gadget my mom got me. So this is a car essential oil diffuser. It clips onto the air vent in your car. You open it up like this. There's a little cotton pad and you put your essential oils on here. Of course, you guys know I have my own line of essential oils, so I'll put a little lemon, a little grapefruit, whatever I'm feeling that day. You pop it back in here and there's little holes in the back. So as the air is circulating through your car air conditioner, it distributes the scent in your car. And let me tell you, essential oils are gonna smell better than any synthetic car air freshener you use. It just has the most beautiful natural scent. It's aromatherapy, it puts me in a good mood. So yes, I love this little guy. Is this recording? Okay. Oh. Up next, this would be in my top 3 favorite products I've purchased on Amazon of all time. These leggings. So I originally purchased these in the video I did, which was the top rated clothing items on Amazon. And when I heard leggings, I thought like my workout leggings that I wear that suck everything in, that I wear to work out. But these are different. These I wear as my everyday lounge pants, as pajama pants. And the thing about them that makes them so amazing, that I am unnaturally obsessed with, is how freaking soft these are. Like, I wish there was feel-o-vision and you can come through the screen and feel these. I just want these on my body at all times. Like, I have like 5 pairs of these and they come in all different colors. I just got 2 new pairs for this video because why not? So yes, these are not really leggings that you're gonna wear out of the house. This is more lounge around, pajama leggings. But if I had to wear one lounge pant for the rest of my life, it would be these. This next little gadget, here it is. I don't know how I even came across this. I was probably like sleep shopping on Amazon and it popped up. But this is the most handy little gadget. It is a 5-in-1 wine stopper, okay? Sounds weird, but just hear me out. So after you open the bottle of wine, most of us don't drink the whole bottle, okay? I mean, maybe you do you. You're having a wild day. When you try to just put the cork back in, it magically doesn't fit. Like, how did that ever fit? This fits right back in, but it does so much more. So it also aerates your wine as you're pouring it out, filters the wine, stops the wine. It's a pourer for the wine. It has like a little spout on it and recorks it. So it does 5 different things. It's one of those little $5 gadgets that if you are a wine drinker, you just should have these. Up next is this, my new dry brush. And this is the perfect dry brush. Fits in the palm of your hand. It has the strap behind it. And I've been doing dry brushing for years. I swear by it. It is something you should start adding into your daily routine. I do it at night. And what you do is you put it on your skin and you go in circular motions towards your heart. It helps with blood flow, circulation, but mostly the reason I do it, just keeping it real, is it helps with cellulite. It helps break down fat deposits and cellulite. And I do have quite a bit of cellulite on my thigh area. So using this has helped so much. My cellulite is barely even visible now, and it used to be so bad. Oh, and this one is only $5. Now, I did want to throw in here a couple of my top kid-related products under $10. First thing, these colored bath drops. They're like bath bombs for kids. They color the bathtub. But you guys, these things changed my life. I know that sounds dramatic, but Carter used to hate the bath. It was the biggest struggle. It was like a nightmare every single night. But my friend told me to get these, and now Carter just loves getting to pick his own little bath bombs, throwing them in, watching the colors. The bath becomes a fun color, and suddenly, just like that, he likes taking baths now. Next up are these Brain Quest cards for kids. I've been using these with Carter for months. He loves them. I love them. They have them for different ages and they're so fun. So they're just like little questions with the answer cards behind them. And the size of them is perfect. You can throw them in your purse if you're at a restaurant, if you're on the go. He enjoys it. He doesn't feel like he's sitting there learning something. It feels more like a game. And then the last kid-related product I'm gonna share for today is this Under the Highchair Mat. This one is $9.99. It is the perfect size. It comes in this cute neutral pattern. But you know, even though Carter should be old enough now that he's not throwing and dropping his food, he's a toddler and it happens. And before I was having to like scrub and mop the freaking floor every time. With this, I can hose it off. You actually could throw it in the washing machine. This is my second one. I needed a spare so I could switch them out. So yeah, now I don't stress if there's some crumbs, if there's some spills. It is so much easier to clean this than to have to like vacuum and mop the floor. So the last few I'm gonna mention are ones that I have talked about in the past, but I had to mention them again because they are just that good. They're like the top of the top. First being this tongue scraper. And what I didn't realize is a lot of people don't even know what a tongue scraper is. But basically, if you're just, brushing your teeth and brushing your tongue, the toothbrush does not get all of that bacteria off your tongue. You need a tongue scraper. So by using this guy, it will get all of it off. And it's gross. Like when you see the amount this thing will get off. I mean, I've had this for, oh my gosh, close to a year now, and it has not tarnished. It is in perfect, beautiful condition, and it just gets everything off. So this is something everyone just needs to add to their hygiene routine. If you don't already have one, even if you do have one, I would argue this is the best one because the one I had before this did not do the job nearly as well. Speaking of scrapers, you guys know I have to throw in my kitchen scraper. I talk about this all the time. It's 2 for $5, I think. They are so cheap and they are so useful. The main way I use this is for caked on food that's on our countertops. Like Ryan spills a smoothie a lot and just like wiping it alone, I can't get it all off. Also on the floors, if there's anything caked on. You can use this to remove product stickers off of items, to remove bird poop from glass. Like it will get anything that is stuck on a surface off without scratching the surface. I think the actual purpose of this is to scrape things off of pans, but I'm here to tell you, you can use it for so much more. I had to give another quick shout out to these Amazon undies. I just got another pack of all black because little life hack, when it's that time of the month, just wear black underwear. I order these in a size up, so I get a medium just because I don't like my underwear to be too tight, but these are a 6-pack for $10. I know, this is my 3rd pack I'm on now, 3rd or 4th pack. Next up are my car hooks. So these you can get a 4-pack for $6.99. So cheap and so handy. So I have one on the passenger seat. So when I get into the driver's seat, I hook my purse onto the passenger seat so it doesn't go flying around. I have one on the driver's seat on the back, so I hang my grocery bags. Last thing I'm gonna talk about today, this is gonna seem random, but let me tell you, this thing has come in handy in a pinch. It is this over-the-tank toilet paper holder. So it holds 2 extra rolls of toilet paper. It hangs over the side of the tank, so that's unutilized space. And you just never want to be left without toilet paper when you need it, okay? And yeah, they're cheap. They're like $7 and I highly recommend them. All right, so I am going to cut it off there for now. If you do enjoy this, I can definitely do another one, or maybe I'll do one that's like under $20 items. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the future down in the comments. Also, I have links to everything I shared down in the description box. I do also have an Amazon storefront. So all of my favorite Amazon products in every single category you can imagine, toddler favorites, clothing favorites, workout favorites, beauty favorites, all of them are in lists on my Amazon storefront, so I will have that link down below as well. Let me know down in the comments which of the products I shared in today's video is your favorite, which one sparked your interest the most. I would love to hear. And if you have a favorite inexpensive Amazon item, put it in the comments because I'm always on the hunt for new things. So with all of that said, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and you watched all the way to the end of the video. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.